Hello everyone! This week we are going to continue talking about the farm animals. Yes! And the sound they make. So let's go. This is the cow. Very good. But what does the cow say? Moo or meow? Yes, moo. Great job. What about this one? Yes, this is the sheep. Good job. And what does the sheep say? Woof woof or baa? Good job. Baa. And what about this one? It's the horse. Yes. And what does the horse say? Meow or meow? Yes, meow. This is the sound that the horse makes. What about this one? This is the goat. Yes. And what does the goat say? Ma or woof woof? Yes, ma. What about this animal here? Yes, this is the chicken. Good job. What does the chicken say? Meow or crock-a-doodle-doo? Crock-a-doodle-doo. Good job. And what about this one? This is the duck. Very good. What does the duck say? Quack, quack or moo? Yes, quack, quack. Good job. Now, help me with this. How many horses are there here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 horses. Good job. What about here? How many sheep are there? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sheep. And the last one. How many ducks are there here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ducks. Good job. Everybody, this is it for today. Bye-bye.